What up, y'all? toyinsanity here. I'm trying to figure out if I have all of the Imaginext explorers and mummies and snake people, serpent people in that series. And do I have all the staffs? I think I might be missing something, but we got these explorers and the lady, because what is it? Rule 63. We got their dude, their monkey with the fez. Serpent lady. I don't know, one of these is the serpent leader. And this blue mummy. And then, oh yeah, there's something else. These guys. I gotta tell you, in case you're wondering, this is why they call me toyinsanity. Because when I find something I like, I get a little obsessed with it. And I end up getting like 4 packs or more packs. This is the original artwork. This is kind of interesting. When these came out last year, they looked like this. When they reissued them this year, they flipped them. But boy, do I wish they had just made some more color variants. Paint them pink or something. And it really bothers me about these staffs that they did 4 shades of green instead of doing yellow, red, orange. Come on. So I'm really hoping this particular theme is not done yet. But yeah, but seriously, let's have a look here. So the big playset came with this guy. I'd say he's the leader, right? He's the king. And it came with the main explorer. These two. And the black staff. It's the only one with the black staff. And then I'm guessing the red guy's the general, because he commands the big Sphinx mummy type thingamathing. Oh yeah, I have that snake eye too somewhere. The Cleopatra mummy lady comes with the snake lady. Rule 63. Smurfette principle. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is that's just a hood that goes on. Yeah, I don't know where I put the hood, but it goes on this guy. Mustache guy. Because this is the guy in the vehicle. And he comes with the vehicle. The blue mummy. And yep, and then the lady, Smurfette principle, is in the plane with the monkey. So I'm guessing that's it, man. What untold treasures could these 3 be guarding? Young imaginators will get all wrapped up in creating adventures for these mummy guards and their serpent cohort. What riches will be found if the treasure hunters can get around this trio? Mum's the word. So guys, if you ever want to give a shout out or make an easy trade, pick up this pack for me, because I'm building an army. I'm building a serpent mummy army. Because I love this dude. And these 2 guys are pretty freaking cool too. Lots of customizing potential. But I really wish they had updated the pack. So easy. Just give a new Scarab. You know what I'm saying? Red, orange, yellow. And then give variants of these guys. Put a dude in here with green skin and a yellow outfit. And then make these guys have like, I don't know, I think pink would look really cool. They did blue. Maybe something yellowish. Would have been awesome. But they did literally the same. Dudes. But seriously, did I mention this? whatever you collect, I'm sure I have some of it. So buy up these packs. Deep clearance at Toys R Us. They're also still at Target, probably Walmart. Send them to me. We'll build an army, like 30 figures. And yeah, I'll give you a shout out. It'll be awesome. And then all the other toy lines you see that I collect, I have all the duplicates you see me accumulating. Yeah, I'm not building armies with those. All the Roblox and the Slither and the Grocery Gang and the Flush Wars and the Smashers and the Five Nights at Freddy's and the Minecrafts, all those extra figures. Here's the older pack. Is there anything slightly different? These guys are kind of dirty. Snake dudes. Pack 4 of 4. Imaginext. What will you imagine next? I will imagine a massive snake and mummy army. And that's why I'm insane about toy collecting. Toy hoarding. Oh man. Wish I had a friend.